Whatever, hopefully you guys can't hear that. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am just filming this look inspired by the iconic Cher from Clueless. I actually got a request to do this. Give her a little shout out. It's from Poppin786, so thank you for your request. But yeah, I've been wanting to do a Clueless look for a really long time, and I always wanted to do it like perfectly and get the whole checkered outfit and really go for it. But you know, I don't need to be that extra. I have an outfit that looks pretty much similar to like what she wears when she goes shopping, so I just decided to do that look instead. And yeah, if you guys want to see it, then just go ahead and keep watching. For this tutorial, I'm kind of doing like a half Cher tutorial because it is quarantine time, quarantine season, baby. And I really don't feel like going to the store to go look for like outfits that would, you know, emulate Cher. So I'm trying to do like the best I can with what's in my closet. So yeah, I even DIY'd like one of her little headbands just because it was gonna take like 3 weeks to get here on Amazon, and like, it's just out of the question. Like, I have to plan so far in advance now for my videos if I want anything because Amazon's so backed up. But such is life, so we're gonna work with what we've got today. Yeah, so really I'm just gonna get right into it. And her hair is like probably the easiest hair I could ever do in the entire world. All you do is just straighten your hair and flip it under. So I'll do like one strand if you guys want to see that. She also generally has like a middle part, or she does that thing like where her hair just naturally falls down the middle. I don't even feel like I really need to film this, but I'll show like one little strand of what I'm doing, and then I'm just gonna fast forward through my whole head. So I'll just straighten it. I'm not even sectioning it. If you have curlier hair, I would section it, obviously, but I have naturally straight hair, so that's not really an issue. And just curl it under. Ew, that gave it such a kink. Okay, let's try that again. That did not go as anticipated. Okay, there. So you just kind of want to get a nice little curl, like so. And I'm literally just gonna do that to my whole head. And I'll be back. Cue fast forward now. Okay, so here's this side done. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other side. Same thing. I'll be right back. Okay, so hair is done. I'm lucky because I pretty much have the exact same haircut as her. But if you do want her hair, it's literally just a blunt cut. Like, just go and ask for a mid-length blunt cut at the hair salon when they open. And yeah, that's literally all you would ask for. And that's what I always get because I think blunt cuts just make your hair look really nice and healthy. I've never been a fan of layered hair that much because I feel like you have to style it to make it look good, which I'm lazy and I don't want to do that. So anyways, the next step, I'm just gonna brush out my hair, make it look nice and smooth like hers. The picture I'm going off of, she's not wearing her hair like this, but in the movie she is. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing a little headband. I just, you would just get like one of those thick, you know, cotton headbands from the store that everybody and their mother has for like when they do face masks and things of that nature. I'm just gonna brush my hair back though. I just cut up an old t-shirt, an old white t-shirt that I don't even use. So that's what I'm gonna use. I'm just gonna tie my hair back really quick because that's gonna help with everything. And then just try to get my bangs to cooperate. Luckily my hair is like a little bit greasy, so they kind of stay, but not really. So I'm just literally gonna Karate Kid this. Do it like so. You have a cute Cher headband. Now, the only difference is I have bangs, so this is gonna be interesting because they're probably gonna poke up a little bit. I don't know if you guys can see that, so I might end up hairspraying those down. But if you don't have bangs, that won't be an issue for you. And now we'll move on to makeup. So that's pretty easy as well. I would say, just going off the pictures and like just from what I remember in the movie, she did very natural makeup, but still kind of done up. I have a reference picture right here that I'm just gonna go off of where it's a little bit heavier just for the sake of the video. So first thing I'm gonna do is just prime my skin. I'm gonna use what's left of my little Estee Lauder sample. This is just the Universal Perfecting Primer. It's very similar to the Benefit one, the Benefit Professional. Just creates like a nice silicone layer to get rid of any texture. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use some foundation. I'm gonna use my favorite foundation, which is the Too Faced Born This Way. It's just really nice and natural looking, and I don't use a lot. I literally use that. And I just blend that in with a damp beauty blender. I've developed, like, obviously if you've been subscribed to me for a while, you know how bad I am about doing my lips on camera. I, every single time without fail, never get my lips in frame. Like, it's just so bad. And I realized it's because I always film like this, like super zoomed in. And like, that's something I can do after I edit, or like after I'm done filming. Like, I can always crop the video after. So I don't know why I don't just film it like this. So that's what I'm gonna do now. So I can avoid that issue and it won't be an issue anymore. You guys are welcome. I've also talked a lot before about how I really don't like wearing foundation because I feel like it enhances kind of like just like the texture of my skin. I have a lot of acne scars and like pits, I guess you could say. I think that's what they're called, like indentations from where I used to have really bad acne. So anytime I put foundation on, it just enhances that texture, and that's kind of why I don't like it. But this foundation actually is just so natural and it's got such good coverage. Moving on to bronzer, I'm gonna use my Anastasia, whatever the heck palette. I'm never gonna get a brand sponsorship from them because I just don't know how to say their name. And then I'm gonna take the lightest color in that palette and I'm gonna use that under my eyes. Just get rid of any under eye circles. And then for me, I have very dry skin, so I'm not gonna set any of that with powder, but if you have oily skin, this is where you would go and set all that. And now I'm just gonna go in with some blush. She's got, it's very like brownish rosy, kind of tones, and that was also very popular in the 90s. So I'm gonna shy away from my usual very pink blush and lipstick and go for a bit of a more brown neutral look today. So I'm gonna use this blush from Benefit. It's in the shade Dallas and it's pretty much brown. I wouldn't even call it pink, but yeah. Cool. Now, I'm just gonna skip this part. I'm just gonna spot conceal the few little blemishes I have right here, and then I'll be right back. Alrighty, so then I'm gonna move on to eyes, and I'm gonna use one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes. And I'm sorry, I don't even know if it's available anymore, but one that's similar is this one from Maybelline in the shade Velvet Crush. So you could use this instead. It's just like a purple and white eyeshadow palette from L'Oreal that's like super old. I got this like 4 years ago, so it's probably expired, but I don't care, I love it. But yeah, just any kind of like purpley eyeshadows. So I'm just gonna take the light like mauve-y shade and I'm just gonna start putting that in my crease. And then same thing on the other eye. I'm always weirded out, I don't know why, by those YouTubers who, no offense if like you do this, but like I'm just don't understand how you can do one eye at a time. Comment down below if you do that, because I would like forget steps and it would be so hard for me to make them match. Maybe I should like challenge myself one day and try to do that, but today is not that day. But comment down below what you guys do, because I'm curious to know. Do you do one eye and then the other? Or do you like go back and forth? You get what I'm saying? Oh my gosh, I can't talk today. All right, and then I'm just gonna take the darker purple from that palette, this one right here, blow it off, and then just put that in the outer crease to deepen it a little bit. Okay, and then I'm just gonna take the pinkish, the really pinky, sparkly color and just put that all over my lid, avoiding the inner corner because that's where I'm gonna put the white. And then I'm just gonna take a more flat brush and take that white and really pack it on. And then I'm also gonna put that on my brow bone. I don't know if you guys can tell, I've been growing out my eyebrows because I really want like super bushy eyebrows. So, fun fact. Taking that same flat brush and wiping off some of the white, I'm gonna take the lighter purple and I'm gonna define like my lower lash line because she does have pretty defined round like almond eyes. I'm even gonna take some of the darker purple and put that on the outer part. Okay. And then, so for eyeliner, I'm gonna take this purple one from Essence. Just take any like pencil liner. She doesn't have a cat eye or anything like that. So I'm just gonna very lightly line my upper lash line with that and kind of just fade it out. And I'm not even gonna take it all the way in. I'm really trying to give my eyes that more almondy shape. That's the eyes. I'm just literally gonna do mascara and then I'll be right back. I'm not gonna do anything to my eyebrows because again, I've been growing them out and I think they're pretty thick and fine on their own. So lastly, I'm just gonna take some lip liner. This one's from MAC and it's in the shade Chicory. And I'm just gonna lightly line my lips. I don't know why I'm trying to talk while I do this. And then I'm gonna take a more pinky lipstick. This one is from Revlon and it's in the shade Berry Smoothie. And then on top of that, I'm gonna take this lip gloss from NYX and it's in the shade Angel Food Cake. This is one of my favorite lip glosses. I think like pretty much every influencer probably. Ew, did I just call myself an influencer? That's gross. So, my shirt on. So again, like I said, I'm just kind of working with what I've got, so I'm not doing a full outfit for this video. I'm literally wearing sweatpants on my bottom half, as you can see. But the shirt, I wish I could tell you guys, like I wish I could give you a link or something because I love this shirt so much, but I got lucky and I found it at a thrift store in North Carolina and yeah, there's no link for it. But yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to my channel and definitely hit that bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video, which is now Tuesdays and Fridays at 6 o'clock on the dot. So I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.